Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make some dark chocolate chip coconut cookies. I'm gonna be using these special dark chocolate chips and our sweetened flake coconut, and I love the combination, along with some all-purpose flour, sugar, light brown sugar, salt, baking soda, butter, eggs, and vanilla. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe, and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes? I have all of our butter in there. Now I just wanted to show you, your butter should be at room temperature. So if you can do this, then it's ready to go. If you forget to take your butter out and let it sit long enough to get to that temperature, you can just put it in the microwave for about 12 seconds, 12 to 15 seconds. All right, so we're gonna get this on and paddle it on low speed till it's nice and soft. I'll get this one there too. All right, our butter is nice and soft and a little fluffy, so we're gonna add in our 12 ounces of sugar. I will figure out the measurement for you in cups and put that in the description below with my recipe. So let's get this going. We're gonna paddle it till it's light and fluffy. And now I'm gonna add our 12 ounces of light brown sugar. And again, I'll have the measurements in the recipe in the description below. We're gonna mix this on low speed. Here is our all-purpose flour, and to that we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of table salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And you just want to stir that together to make sure that it's fully incorporated. There we go. And then we can add it to our wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, we're gonna add the coconut, and this is 2 cups of coconut. And I wanna add it now to mix it in fully with the butter, because if you keep mixing it when you have the flour in, it's gonna overwork the gluten in the flour and make your cookies tough. Once that's completely combined, we're gonna add in all of our dry ingredients. And you wanna dump it in all at once, and then we're gonna pulse it by turning the machine on and off, because we want to prevent it from going all over the counter. So you're gonna put the paddle down, and then we're gonna pulse it on, off, and do it slowly for the first couple of seconds, and then you can turn on, because you can see you can splatter some of the flour all over the counter. Now, before the flour is completely incorporated, we want to start adding in our chocolate chips. So we're going to do 1 bag and then stir it, and then we're going to finish with the next bag and then completely combine everything. And again, this is so the gluten is not overdeveloped. When you overdevelop your gluten, working it by over mixing, your cookies end up being tough instead of flaky and tender. Once you see the cookie dough come together just like this, turn your machine off and stop. Next, we're gonna scoop it. I'm using a tablespoon ice cream scoop, and you're gonna stagger it on a Silpat lined sheet pan and bake it at 325 for about 12 minutes. Here they are, our beautiful dark chocolate chip coconut cookies. They are phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make them. Please make them at home and then leave me a comment and let me know what you think of them. I have over 470 videos on my YouTube channel. Please check them out and come back for more. I make about 2 a week. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.